Innovation is here. New Sealmaster Stainless Steel gold-mounted ball bearings, designed to be stronger, more durable, and more resistant to contamination and corrosion than ever before. Engineered specifically to excel in demanding washdown environments, built with load capacity to withstand a range of applications. The 440C stainless steel inner and outer rings deliver best-in-class performance and corrosion resistance against harsh chemicals. The land-riding composite retainer provides superior pocket clearance, allowing 360-degree oil circulation. The high-performance seal is composed of a triple-lip design and outboard shield, providing multi-directional sealing to retain lubricant and resist contamination. Trusted and IP69K certified, which means dust-tight enclosures. Build quality that withstands steam cleaning and is designed to perform in even the high-pressure, high-temperature washdowns where other bearings may fail. The result is unparalleled contamination resistance and longer bearing life, saving you time and money. When you need toughness, durability, and safety for your product line, the new Sealmaster Stainless Steel gold-mounted ball bearings deliver performance you can count on.